All right. I think I just found the most amazing program ever. I was thinking, I was like, bro, how can I use my camera on my phone as a webcam? How can I hook my phone up to my computer and stream the screen of my phone to my computer? I'm sure you guys already know how to do this because you're way smarter than me. But I'm using Pop OS. It's based on Ubuntu. And I got this program right here from flathub.org. All right, it's a flat pack. I mean, there's a command line version too, I think. But look at this. Look how nice that looks. Like, why would you not want to use this? This is beautiful. I like the colors. It's very nice. I really liked it. Whoever made this, bro, you got good taste. I like you. But this is a pretty amazing program. I'm streaming my phone right here. Check that out. That's pretty amazing. I'm gonna turn my let's turn my camera on. So here I am streaming right here. Oh, let's go over here. Here's the instructions. How to use GUI. Ow! Mic's up here, guy. How to use GUISCRPY. There you go. Or I can just pull that over here for you. All right. Let's go back to the thing. All right. I'll pull this over here for you, actually. Let's pull that up for... Ah! Get over there, bro. If you don't get over to the other screen... All right. There we go. That's how you do it. It's not really hard. Ah! You have to... You know what, bro? You gotta use this little tiny little bar over here. That's pretty annoying. All right. So you have to enable USB debugging mode on your phone. Now, I believe there are other programs that allow you to stream. Because to make this work, you have to hook your phone up to your computer with a USB. What is that? Get out of here. There's another one, too. What was the other program? There's another program. I think it's called D-Droid or something. Droid. Ah, fuck. I forget what it's called. Let's just do a search real quick. How to stream. This is literally, I mean, just, you got to come up with ideas, guys. How to stream phone camera to desktop computer Linux. Pow. Give me that, baby. Because I have a really good camera on my phone. I have some webcams also. I only have one webcam. So I was like, what if I want to use two cameras? Well, I can use my phone and my webcam. See, when there's a will, there is a way. What is this? OBS Studio. Well, you can use OBS. Yeah, Droid Cam. That's what it's called. The other one's called Droid Cam. I believe you can just stream it through your Wi-Fi. And I don't think you need a USB cable. I don't know. I haven't tried it, but there is more than one solution to this problem. Yes, there is. So I'm really enjoying this app. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm really enjoying it. I'm having a good time with this. Oh, it's my X feed, baby. I accidentally clicked on X. Let's see what we got. Oh, go home. Let's see what we got going on. Batman. I follow a lot of comic book stuff, guys. I ain't gonna lie. Whack 100. I seen a video of Whack 100 beating some people up. So he can fight okay. You gotta give him his credit for that. Rob Liefeld, he's like baby Jack Kirby, one of the greatest comic book artists ever. Let's admit it. Alright. Oh, I gotta hear this. Let's hear it. I don't know if it's gonna work. I got the mic.
You may dispense with a horseshit, Commander. I'm here to put you back on schedule.
I assure you, Lord Vader, my men are working as fast as they can.
Perhaps I can find new ways to motivate them. Give
Huh.
baby.
Me. Yeah, it's not that funny. Okay, it's just really dark stuff. You got to go if you want to get some cool stuff. You have to go to my X page. We got the cool stuff. So you guys didn't know I make music. Listen to this beautiful song I got right here. All right, it looks like it's not even loading, but that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, my name is Kane Cadmus, baby, and I'm out of here. I just wanted to show you this beautiful program. It's called GUISCRPY. And it's just wonderful. And you can use your camera on your phone as a webcam. I mean, how cool is that? Watch. I mean, how cool is that? Oh, by the way, I don't know if you can see that. I got a light right here. Yeah, baby, I got it. I do need to. I will admit, I need to clean my computer. It's a little dusty. Having okay, I'll give it. It's a T420. It can handle it. Okay, this possibly might be the best computer I've ever had. Period. Like seriously, this it just works and it works well. It's very fast. Okay, watch. I mean, I can get on X right now. Let's go. I'll show you how fast my computer is. Pure. Where's X? Give me that. Well, now it wants to go a little slow, so he's hating on me. So it's usually going fast. I think my internet's moving slow. And actually, maybe the old computer is actually struggling to stream this and load X at the same. I'll give you that. But when I'm not streaming, with the phone and streaming video, I mean, this works really fast. Okay, I guarantee you. But you can't go wrong with you cannot go wrong with the Lenovo T420. You really cannot. It's probably the best computer ever created.